In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $12,295 in commission with Amazon Associates Affiliate Marketing just in one single month using organic free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my methods, my strategies, my secrets that helped me to make this commission just in one single month using free traffic. Okay, so for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is my summary and this is my commissions and this is the bunches. Okay, anyway, step number one, to start making money with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing, you need to create an Amazon Associate affiliate account. Go to Google, search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link. You will be directly in this sign up process page. Click on sign up like this, and you will be again to this page. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate. So this will be your Amazon Associate affiliate account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next, you just need to choose good product that you will start promoting using Pinterest. I'm using Pinterest to promote my Amazon products as an affiliate marketer for free using free traffic. So step number two, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, and all you have to do, you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and they will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Make sure to choose business account. Okay, choose Pinterest business account. So why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has, I think Pinterest has like 1 billion monthly visitors. Yes, it has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, if you do it correctly and if you promote those products that I will share with you, I can guarantee to you that you will start making commissions in the first few weeks. Okay, so here is what you will do next. You will go back to your Amazon account, open your Amazon account like this, and this is the product that I'm promoting in this month. Okay, it's a product related to Christmas. Christmas is very close, guys, and I started promoting any products related to Christmas. Christmas will be in the next month, December 25. You guys can see. So what you will do, you will go back to your Amazon account like this, to your Amazon website, click on the search and search for this product. Search for Christmas cards. Okay, search for Christmas cards. Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers and choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. So for example, you guys can see like this one, over 1,000 people paid for this product in the past month. Okay, so this one is still trending and people are still buying those products related to Christmas because Christmas is very close. Look at this one, it's close to 1,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one also over 2,000 people. I will choose this one. Okay, so I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you want to promote and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. Click on this picture of this product. Just click on this picture, double click and click on save image and save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it, for example, cards. Click on save. What you will do next, you will go back to your go back to your Pinterest account, click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. What you will do next, you just need to click over here and upload the picture that you download from Amazon. This one, Christmas cards, okay, because Christmas is will be next month. So if you start promoting those products related to Christmas, I can guarantee to you, like I said, you can make your first commissions just in the first few weeks or your first few days. It's depending on your work. Scroll down. You need to put your link, you need to put your title related to this this Christmas card. So what you will do next, go back to your Amazon account and copy this title. I will use this title. I will go back to my Pinterest account. I will put this title over here. Description. This title is too much long. Let's delete this part. Okay. Description. Go back to this product page. Scroll down. You should see here about this item. This is your description. Okay. So copy this description. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. So scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to this digital product, to this go back to this Amazon product page about Christmas cards. And so for you guys, you should already have an Amazon affiliate account, so you can start seeing like this bar over here, this one, site Stripe. So you can get your affiliate link from here. Just click on get link, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link like this. Go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here keywords. Okay, so go back to this Amazon product page, and I will copy this keyword, Christmas card. Those keywords on Pinterest, they are not important. What you need to focus on is your title and your description. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link product on Pinterest. This is your picture, this is your Amazon affiliate link, and we are promoting products that are trending right now this month because Christmas is very close, so we can make commissions because people who are interested in Christmas, they are buying products, any products or related to Christmas, they are buying those products. And this is the proof. I show you the proof. Just in the past month, over 2,000 people paid for this one. 900 people paid for this one in the past month. This one, 600 people. Let's scroll down. Here is another one. Over 1,000 people paid for this product related to Christmas in the past month. This one, and so much more. So meaning that those products are working. Okay, people are buying those products in this month, and will be when the sale will buy those products in the next month. So you should start promoting those products. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. And you should know that, guys, this commission that I make, it didn't come from just promoting Christmas products, of course not, but this month was really profitable from any products related to Christmas. Okay, I'm not using just I'm not using just Pinterest. I'm using YouTube Short, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and so much more. If you are interested, comment affiliate marketing in this video, like this video, and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods, new strategies, and new secrets that you can start using to make and to scale your affiliate marketing business and make over $10,000 every single month. The business model is clear, but it's not easy. It takes time. Okay, it takes time. And if you stay consistent, if you do more research, you will start making commissions just in your first few days. Okay, I can guarantee this to you. Like I said, thank you so much again, and see you in my next videos.